In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background in CapCut. This quick method gives your footage a professional portrait-style look by keeping your subject crisp while softening everything behind them. It's simple, clean, and works great for talking head videos, product shots, or any scene where you want attention on the main subject. First, open CapCut. Import your video and drag it onto the timeline so it becomes your base layer. With the clip on the timeline, create a duplicate. Right-click the video and choose copy, then place that copied clip directly above the original so it sits on a higher track as an overlay. Stacking these clips is essential because the top layer will hold your subject and the bottom layer will become the blurred background. Now cut out the subject on the top clip, click to select the top video, then look to the right-hand menu and choose Remove Background. Use the auto removal option. CapCut will analyze the clip and create a clean separation between your subject and the background. This may take a moment depending on your computer and the length of the video. When it finishes, your top layer should show only the subject with a transparent background over the lower layer. With the subject isolated, it's time to blur the background. Click the bottom video layer to make sure it's selected. Go to Effects, then find the blur effect. Apply it to the bottom clip. You'll see the background soften immediately while the subject on the top layer stays sharp because that layer isn't blurred. Next, refine the look. Adjust the blur strength to match the style you want. Subtle for a natural depth of field look or stronger for a dreamy aesthetic. If you notice rough edges around the subject, increase the feather to gently blend the cutout, which helps reduce halos or harsh lines. Small incremental changes often produce the most realistic results. When you're happy with the settings, preview the video from the start to confirm that only the background is blurred and the subject remains clear and in focus. If anything looks off, double-check that you adjusted the bottom layer for the blur and kept the top layer selected only for the background removal. Make final tweaks to strengthen feather until it feels just right. That's it. You've created a polished background blur in CapCut, keeping viewers' attention exactly where you want it, on your subject.